So this question says rectangle X has a length of 12 centimeters and a width of 2.5 centimeters. So I'm going to start off by just drawing that rectangle. 2.5 for the width, 12 for the length. Label it X. Right? So this is a strategy called plug-in picture, where I just draw what's been described in the question. The next sentence says right triangle Y has a base of 10 centimeters. So I'm going to draw a right triangle. The base is 10 centimeters and call that Y. The next sentence says the area of rectangle X. Well, what is the area? I'm going to stop there because I want to know, well, what is the area of rectangle X? The area is just the length times the width, so it's just 12 times 2.5. So I throw that into my calculator and I get 30. So the area for rectangle X is 30. Okay, so what about this area? The area of rectangle X is 3 times the area of right triangle Y. Well, the area of the triangle is 1/2 base times height. We know the base is 10, so that becomes 1/2 times 10 times height. And we know that it's basically a third of this 30, right? So this area for the right triangle has to be 10. How do I know that? Because the question says the area of rectangle X is 3 times the area of right triangle Y. So if right triangle Y's area is 10, then times 3 is 30, which is how we get the area of rectangle X. So hopefully that all makes sense. I take this number and divide it by 3 to find the area of the right triangle. So now I have this equation, 10 equals 1/2 times 10 times h. I'm going to do something a little weird here, just divide both sides by 10. Didn't really have to do it that way. I could have distributed it, but you know, it still works algebraically. So I end up with 1 equals 1/2 h, and therefore, right, I can multiply by 2 over 1, 2 over 1, and h has to equal 2, so the height has to equal 2. What is the height in centimeters of right triangle Y? Well, there it is. The height is 2. The answer is therefore choice B.